In this video, I want to share with you 5 low competition Mardi Gras niches for merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 5 Mardi Gras niches for merch, just want to do a quick sales update. And yesterday was a pretty good day, 37 sales, $35 in royalties. But today I got 17 sales, but look right here, only $5.91. I'm getting crushed in returns. I got 8 returns, but no big deal. Not really too much I can do, so just accept it and move on. But that is going to put me for the month at $643, and we're right at the halfway point. So for January, this is actually pretty good for me. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, just my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. So link is in the description if you want to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so we got Mardi Gras coming up. We're going to see it's on February 13th, 2024, so we're about a month away. A lot of people have been commenting on my videos that, they want more videos about like trending niches and how I find those niches, so I figured I would give you what you guys want. So the first low competition Mardi Gras niche that I have for you for merch is going to be Girls Trip New Orleans 2024, and this is a really good one in my opinion. There's only 345 results. When we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 345 results, and here are some of the designs that I'm talking about. So if we scroll down right here, because there's a lot of just like Girls Trip New Orleans, but I'm talking more like when you like Mardi Gras style. So doing something kind of like this right here, where you get some type of Mardi Gras clip art, whether it's a mask or any other type of Mardi Gras clip art, and just put the text Girls Trip New Orleans 2024. You can see the one right next to it is actually similar, but it's for 2022. But this one right here for 2024 has a BSR of 660. It was uploaded in November. And I also saw a long sleeve, I believe, down here as well. Yeah, so this one we're going to see. Whoops, let me just click off that. So right here, again, same type of style where you have the Mardi Gras mask, text on the top, Girls Trip, and then New Orleans 2024 on the bottom. This also has a BSR 1.3 million. And let's see, it was actually just uploaded, only 4 days ago. Okay, so that's why I think this is a good one. Let's see, can I find any other ones? Oh no, that's something different. If we go to Etsy to take a look at the competition for this, Girls Trip New Orleans 2024, only 931 results. And here I actually found some good PNG files. Now, you might actually even be able to use these for Merch by Amazon. You just have to check in the description. If it doesn't say, you can just message the sellers and just ask them, hey, if I buy this, can I use this on POD sites like Merch? And they will usually let you know. Here's another good one as well. Competition on Redbubble, only 6 results. And here I thought it was cool because they're using NOLA Girls Trip 2024. Here's some other type of clip art that you can use. Oh, birthday trips. I didn't even think about that. That's another one maybe. And here is a sticker, which looks pretty good. If we go to TeePublic, we're going to see that there's barely, I don't think I saw any. Actually, no, this one right here, which I think could be the same one that we saw on Merch by Amazon. But it only looks like 1 result for TeePublic. So low on competition there. When we go to Creative Fabrica, I wasn't really able to find any actual specific designs just for that keyword. So you would have to design it, but you can get some good clip art right here. So if we go to like this one right here, and these all come with the print-on-demand special license. You can see I have it checked off right here. Like this one, you can like download this and just get rid of the text and just use the mask. Same thing with these two at the top. If you're interested in signing up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in the description. I think it's the 3rd link from the description. Creative Fabric is where I get all my design, or for the most part, I get all my designs and clip art for Merch by Amazon. Comes with a whole bunch of stuff like fonts, PNG files, AI, even has classes, a whole POD section, and it's only $4.99 a month. Probably the best bang for your buck on the internet. So that's going to be the first niche, and it is this one right here. That is Girls Trip New Orleans 2024. And then the second low competition niche that I have for you for Mardi Gras is this phrase right here, in my Mardi Gras era. There's only 253 results for this phrase or this keyword. And when we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's only 253 results. Here are what some of the designs look like. Now, surprisingly, I didn't really see any with BSRs. But this phrase has done really well with pretty much every holiday that we've seen. So I don't see why it would not do well with Mardi Gras. Now, there are some people that are kind of like afraid to upload to this niche because they think it will get them in trouble. They want to know if it's safe. I always get asked about this niche on Instagram and on my YouTube comments. A lot of people think this is related to Taylor Swift and that it can get them in trouble. Me personally, I do not think that it could get you in trouble. I think it's fine, basically. But again, you know, I'm just some random guy on the internet. But I've uploaded in this niche many times. I've never had any problems. I think it's kind of like a gray area. You know, Taylor Swift doesn't have, in my era song, in my era lyrics. She just had that tour that was the Eras tour. So I think this is fine. But again, just my opinion. If we go to, let's see, Etsy here, we're going to see that there is 1,700 or 1,100 results for this keyword. Half of them are actually PNG files. So again, you might be able to use this if you don't want to design or use Creative Fabrica. But it looks like there's not that much competition on Etsy. Redbubble, also low in competition, only 9 results. So very low. I thought this was a pretty good design for the sticker, this one right here. Let's see what we have for TeePublic. So we do have some competition on TeePublic. These also look pretty good as well. And I did find a couple options on Creative Fabrica if that's where you like to get your designs from. So that is the second low competition Mardi Gras niche that I have for you. It is this one right here in my Mardi Gras era. And then the third Mardi Gras niche that I have for you found using flying research. So a lot of people have also been asking me, like, how do I find these trending niches? And one of the ways that I do it is by using flying research. If you want to sign up for flying research, I do have a link in the description. I think it's like the 4th or 5th link. But what I will do, let me just get my face away here, is I will just go to flying research, click on seller trends, and then right here I will type in a keyword like Mardi Gras, for example. I like to have it set up for United States, t-shirt newest, and then for the advanced options, 1 week time period, and also newcomers. And basically it's going to pull up all these Mardi Gras designs that have just started selling. And basically what I'm doing is I'm looking for duplicates. And the one that I saw right away was this Mardi Gras tree one, which I thought was kind of interesting. So basically it is a tree where you have Mardi Gras beads. This one was using crawfish or crayfish. I also saw this one as well. And if we just take a little deeper dive into these designs, we're going to see like this one is selling for 24 bucks, which is going to give you a nice royalty. That's like $8 and change, I think. It's sitting at a 2 million BSR, and it was actually just uploaded earlier this month, January 6th, 2024. This one right here is the crawfish one. I don't know how they're getting this discount like that. If anyone knows, comment in the description, or make a comment in the comments. This one was also uploaded on January 6th, so it looks like it could be the same person maybe. And then this one I thought was kind of interesting because it doesn't say tree. Like if we go back to these other ones, they're using the word tree in the actual title. So probably the same person designing, because it looks like could be using the same keywords, but again, beads or something like that, or Mexican graphics. So even though it does kind of look like a tree, now these ones, they do look like they're AI, so you might have to use like Midjourney or something like that. But if that is how you like to design using AI, this could be a good option for you. You might be able to get some good. All right, I got a sale. Good, that'll get me back up. Let's see where that put us. Where that put me, because these okay, so back to 13. Good. Okay, sorry, I got a little thrown off there. Excuse me. So yeah, so this is the third niche, and I'm basically calling it the Mardi Gras tree niche. And then the fourth Mardi Gras niche that I have for you guys, I also found on Flying Research, just doing the same thing, typing in the keyword, looking for duplicates. And some of the duplicates I found were these like Mardi Gras masked skull ones. So like here's one right here, here's the second one, here is the third one, and then I also found one at the bottom here. Where is it? Right here, all within the past 6 days. The only thing that I thought was weird about this, when I clicked on these, like this one right here, you see the keyword has a BSR right here, 661, but then 2 of the 4 actually had the dog, and that's usually a bad sign. That means that they're doing something wrong. I don't think there's anything wrong with the design, but maybe something in their keywords. So just kind of proceed with caution, because I just thought that was kind of a little odd there. I'm not too sure. I don't really see anything wrong with the design. Looks like fine to me, but they're probably using something maybe in their keywords that's not allowed. Like this is the second one right here, so there's this one, but then there's also this third one. I'm not too sure which that, maybe that was this one right here at the bottom, I think this one. But then there was this last one right here, which is Florida. Maybe this is trademark, I'm not too sure. So just proceed with caution with this one, but I did see duplicates of it, and I did see that it's selling. This one I can't see what the BSR is, but that is the fourth niche I have for you, and I'm calling it the Mardi Gras skull niche. And then let's just go ahead and take a look at the next one, because I think I just have it up right here on my notes. So it is the Mardi Gras lips, and let's see if I can find it, because I also saw that that one has some duplicates as well. If we scroll down to the bottom, so doing something like, let's see, I can't, oh yeah, so something kind of like this. So where you have the lips, and then you have them basically a bunch of beads. Another way that I like to find trending niches is just going to this Merch Informer website. You guys have seen me use this before, so let's just type in Mardi Gras lips, and we'll just kind of do some kind of over-the-shoulder live research. Well, not live, but just in the moment. So yeah, so I will just type in the keyword. I like to have it on USA t-shirt, hit search, and let's see what comes up. So we're going to see 709 results. So it looks like it is in the sweet spot of under 1,000, but then, you know, I always like to check the third page just to make sure, because sometimes the third page will say like 3,000. So let's just check real quick right here. You guys were asking how I do the research, so I figured I'll just show you. So I'll do a command click on the third page, and let's see if it's still 709 results. And it is. Okay, so this looks like it could be good. And so these are the type of designs that I'm talking about right here, where you have these lips that have Mardi Gras colors, you know, purple, yellow, and green with some beads. And let's see how these are selling. So we can see that this one right here has a review, so 653 BSR in the Climate Pledge Friendly category. Here's some other ones as well. Let's go to Creative Fabrica and see if we can actually find any designs. So let's go Mardi Gras. Oh, come on. Messing up my video, man. Okay, so, okay, there it goes. Internet isn't always the best down here in Mexico. Okay, so Mardi Gras lips. Let's see if we can find any designs. And it's receiving 90 results, so we might be able to find something. Take a quick sip of coffee while it's doing its thing. Okay, so here we go. So this could be good. These ones look like they're AI generated. These other ones look pretty good, but then you just want to check to see if they come with the print-on-demand special license, because you don't want to be uploading things that can get you in trouble. And so I don't know, this one looks like it could work. That would do well. If you want, you can maybe add some text around it, maybe Mardi Gras and then 2024 at the bottom. Maybe this one as well. This one looks good too. So yeah, so that is the 5th niche that I have for you, and it is the Mardi Gras lips one. So those are going to be 5 niches. So just to recap, let me just pull up my notes. So Girls Trip New Orleans 2024, In My Mardi Gras Era, Mardi Gras Tree, the Mardi Gras Skull one. Remember, just proceed with caution. Just do your research. Make sure you're not uploading, or just check for trademarks. And then the last one was Mardi Gras lips. All right, so those are going to be the niches for today's video. Remember, if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, or even on Redbubble, I do have a couple links in the description. I'm trying to find my, okay, there it is. Yeah, if you're looking for like a course on how to improve your sales, oh, whoops, let me click that off so you can't see. I got a couple links in the description. One is for Merch by Amazon. The other one is for Redbubble. They're only 20 bucks a pop. I'm selling them on Udemy. They're good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon and Redbubble. So that is the video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.